This is the eastern Gartner snake. Something is under here. What's under this log? Lobster. In this place we have an eastern box turtle. What is under the rock? Facts. I do not see the tree frog. I do not see a tree frog. Artifacts to trade. I don't know what this is. I like it. These you smell. What's under this? Oh, okay. It's a turtle. Here's our second turtle. We have more facts right here. Here. And I don't know what's in there. I have to feel it. And then I feel it nothing in here, but anyway. This is how tall you are. Yeah. Sturgeon oil thing. I don't know what this is. I think it's an oil rig. And here we have several different turtles. I can see one, I think, is under that plant. You guys can see him. He's under the plant. And yeah, pretty cool area. I wiped this exhibit. Bye. Me mateys, I'm walking the plank and is bouncing. Second balance beam and a big log. Jump! We're going to the forest. Me mateys, we have 2 bridges to go under. Okay. Path 2. Over the slog. Whoa, this path is crazy. Bye. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at all this. It gets better and better. Here's another super good view. Like, look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. It's the best thing I've ever seen. Subscribe if I should make a video about this, or like, or comment, or whatever. Look at this. Me mateys, there are so many branches. Me mateys.